and we get transferred somewhere else, but we both knew that was months away. One night the guards did their count at midnight, then mysteriously disappeared from our block. That's when we heard footsteps coming down the tier. Our cell door wasn't locked like it should have been, and 8 Southside guys walked right in. They had socks filled with batteries and shanks making toothbrushes. Caesar was leading them with that same smile from the first day. They dragged us out of our cell and down to the laundry room where there were no cameras. 2 guards were standing at the door counting money the Kings had just handed them. They didn't even look at us as we got pulled past them. Inside that room, they tied us to chairs and started working. They wanted information about our cash house and suppliers we didn't even have. Caesar kept hitting Giovanni in the face with the battery sock while asking questions we couldn't answer. Giovanni was crying and spitting blood trying to explain we were nobody important. They didn't believe him and started cutting him with the shanks. I was screaming for them to stop, but one of them stuffed a rag in my mouth. They made me watch everything they did to my best friend. After 2 hours, Giovanni stopped moving. His face was swollen beyond recognition, and blood was pooling under his chair. Caesar checked his pulse, then shrugged like it was nothing. He signaled to the guards who came in with a laundry cart. They loaded Giovanni's body into it while Caesar counted out more bills from a roll of cash. The guards wheeled him away like he was dirty sheets. Caesar untied me and leaned in close. He said they'd be back tomorrow night for more answers, and if I didn't have any, they'd make my death even worse than Giovanni.